Single-serve coffee maker Coffee Brewer compatible with K-Cup single cup capsule with 6 to 14 ounces reservoir, mini size, blue. 2 ways for brewing coffee. Our single-serve coffee maker makes it compatible with ground coffee and K-Cup pods. You can choose your favorite coffee style and brewing you exclusive style coffee. This coffee brewer suit for K-Cup coffee and ground coffee in one click for all your needs. The coffee brewer is easy to use. Fill water in the reservoir of the coffee machine. Add a cup or pour grounds in the mesh filter. Then press the button and wait for about 2 minutes to enjoy your coffee. As well as cleaning easily with that too. No need to worry. If you forget to shut off the coffee maker, the machine will turn off automatically. Portable tiny. The coffee brewer takes a little bit to make 1 cup of coffee in a machine that's the size of a desk lamp. Compact size doesn't overwhelm your counter. Choose your coffee strength and cup size. It is convenient to customize your own style coffee. The water reservoir has a capacity of 6 to 14 Oz and allows you to control how much coffee you want to brew the grounds coffee. It also compatible for the coffee mug from 4.3 to 4.7. Best solution for traveler business. With the most compact design and durable construction, this coffee machine is perfect for home, office, dorm room, apartment, caravan, traveling, etc. Just enjoy your coffee everywhere. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.